Hello there, I am Tegustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here you need to about computer hardware. When you think about computer system is made of computer hardware and computer software. Any computer system is a product of computer hardware and computer software. The computer hardware depends on computer software and vice versa. When we have the two components, we must produce a computer system. You'll see under Unit 3 computer software. Here is about computer hardware. Unit outcomes at the end of this unit, students will be able to explain hardware components of computer. There are components of computer system. One component of a computer system is computer hardware. Therefore, you have to explain hardware components of computer hardware. Identify input, output, storages, and processing devices. You have to identify the input, the output, the storage, and processing devices. We have input device under hardware, output, storage, and processing device. Therefore, you have to identify these input, output, storage, and processing devices. What the function of computer? Computer can input, output, store, and process using these devices. Therefore, you have to identify. Explain functions of input, output, storage devices. Processing. Overview. In this unit, we learn about hardware categories based on information processing, such as input, output, storage, and processing devices and their functions. There are 4 functions that enable computer to do. A computer can input or accept as an input data. A computer processes, then it gives an output. For later use, it can store using a devices. Therefore, using a device, how can we perform these things? We see here in this unit. Computer system is composed of computer hardware. The computer system, like any other system, is made of computer hardware and software. When you think about a system, every system has components. They are working together. The same two computer system have components. The components are working together. Computer hardware depends on software and vice versa. Computer hardware, it is the physical part of computer that you can see by our naked eyes and the touch and our hand. The hardware or the physical part of computer that you can see or by our naked eyes or we can touch by our hand. When you think about the computer hardware, it is the physical part of computer. It is divided into 4 categories based on information processing, input, processor, storage, and output device. It is divided. Computer hardware is divided into 4 categories. The information processing, input, processor, storage, and output device are the computer systems. They are the part of computer system, which is computer hardware. The first hardware is input devices. Input devices are computer hardware that are used to enter a data to a computer. How can we enter a data into a computer? Using input devices. Therefore, input devices are computer hardware that are used to enter a data to the computer. By using input devices, possible to enter a data to the computer. They convert the data into the form that can be understood by a computer as 0 and 1. A computer can work by the use of 0 and 1. It uses 0 and 1. They convert the data into the form that can be understandable by computer as 0 and 1. Every computer works by representation of 0 and 1. How this can represent? The data should be converted into machine language. Every data that is understood by human should be changed into 0 and 1. Even though it is understood by humans, every number letters, then the computer changes or translates into its own representation, which is 0 and 1. The following are some of the input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, optical recognition system, optical speech recognition, joystick, light pen, touch screen. They are input devices. They help you to insert data into the computer, or by using image we can insert into the computer also. When you say data, not only numbers and letters, it includes also pictures. That using a picture or the audio we can input the, the computer system. The first input device, which is a keyboard. Keyboard, it is an input device which has a key that's enabled to enter data into a computer. How the computer understands every nowadays possible to accept any numbers, letters as a data. Therefore, it is an input device. How we say computer is accepted as an input or a data? By using this device, can input to the system, or we can feed into the computer system. Keyboard, for instance, it is an input device which has keys that enable one to enter data into a computer. By entering data, possible to perform other operations. By using keyboard, not only inputting your data, it's possible to interact also the computer system because it has many keys on the keyboard. The keys on the keyboard can be divided into several groups based on their functions as follows. First key, which is escape key, in short ESC. ESC is a key found on the top left corner of a computer keyboard. It allows the user to cancel or close an operation. It is found on the top left corner. Here is on the keyboard, on the left side corner, there is escape key. ESC. This one is escape key. It helps you. It is found at the top left corner of the computer keyboard. It allows the user to cancel or close an operation. Cancel or close an operation. Backspace key. Here is the backspace key. What the function of backspace key? The backspace key is a keyboard key that deletes any character before the cursor current position says. Any character key that deletes to the left, any characters. Function keys at the top of the keyboard, these are F1 to F12 key. For instance, F1 helps to display the help key. The function key are used to perform specific tasks. For instance, F1 is mostly used as a help key. Navigation and editing key, there are keys used for moving around in the document. For instance, page up, page down, and other keys like delete are included under navigation and editing, including these keys, the left, the up, the right, down arrows are navigation and editing. Typing or alphanumeric key, they include the letters here. Typing or alphanumeric keys include the numbers, punctuation marks, and symbols. Are typing or alphanumeric key. Control key, this is CTRL key. It is a modifier key or computer keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys. For instance, Control plus C is copy, Control V, paste, Control X is it helps you to cut. Therefore, combining with other keys, we can do additional tasks. Window key on the keyboard. Here is a window key. It helps you to display the start menu. The start menu is displayed using window key. Window key used to display the start menu. The start menu. For instance, window D it displays the desktop. At the same time, when you press window plus letter D, displays desktop. Window plus letter E, it helps you to open Window Explorer. At the same time, pressing with E, it displays Explorer. For instance, Window File Explorer is opening. When we press Window plus E, window plus D, desktop. It displays desktop. The same to window plus R, it helps you to display run command. The other Alt key on the keyboard and Alt key on the left and the right. You can combine Control also, Shift also on the left and right. They are special keys. You can combine with other keys that we found at the left and right. You can combine Control, Alt, Shift with other keys on the left, on the right, again on the left. You can combine with letters or numbers in or functional keys and with perform as additional tasks. That's why we can control the computer by absence of mouse. Without using mouse, it's possible to control the keyboard. For instance, visually impaired people have a chance to interact with the computer by using keyboard only. The alternate key provides alternate input operations. Directional keys like left down by themselves, additional to navigational keys. They will be categorized under navigational and again directional keys we say them. Numeric keypad here is at the right side. At the right side of the keyboard there is a numbers phone. Numlock by making on the numlock we can type the numbers only at the right side numeric keypad. Here is the keyboard layout. Here escape key, functional keys at the top, F1 to F12, backspace key here. Navigational and editing key, here is a directional key. Here is a numeric keypad. Alt key at the left and right, window key at the left and right, control key at the left and right, shift key at the left and right, because possible to combine letters at the right and letters at the left. The same to numbers and functional keys. The other type of input device is mouse. Mouse is a hand operating device which controls the movement of the cursor or pointer. It is hand operating device which controls the movement of the cursor or pointer. How interact with the computer system? Using a mouse. It is a hand operating device which controls the movement of the cursor or pointer. Its name is derived from its shape, which looks like a bit mouse. The mouse are commonly has three buttons. It says left button, the right button, and it helps to select text also. The left button, right button used for right click to see the property of the file. For instance, there are buttons on the mouse. Here the left button used for left click and double click. It helps you also to select. And the middle button, scroll to up and down the screens. For instance, when you prepare a Word document, it's not possible to display all the pages. It's possible to make up and down using a middle button, scroll. The right button helps to right click to see the property of the file or to get additional commands as a shortcut. To get more knowledge about how to use keyboard and mouse on this channel under introduction to computer playlist, you'll have how to use keyboard and mouse in detail. Mouses are connected to the system unit. Nowadays, thanks to technology, not only by using cable, it's possible also to connect and use devices without using cable by wireless means with the help of Bluetooth technology. Scanner is an input device that accepts printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to the digital document. The other input device that helps you to input hard copy material into soft copy. A device that changes into hard copy into soft copy is a scanner. How can we change? A scanner is a device, an input device that helps to change hard copy into soft copy. For instance, any document that is appeared on the paper form is hard copy, and any document that is found on the computer system is soft copy. Therefore, a scanner helps you to change hard copy into soft copy. Scanner is an input device that accepts printed text, handwriting, or an object that converts it to digital document. It is used to input data directly into the computer from the source document without copying and typing the data. The input data to be scanned or can be a picture, text, or mark on a paper. It says. When you input to the computer system for further processing or editing, it can be picture, it can be text, or mark on a paper. The other input device, optical recognition system. It helps you to input a variety of characters, as the name implies. There are optical recognition systems that are designed for a variety of purposes. Let us see. Uses light to read characters, codes, and markers. This optical recognition system uses light. Why? To read characters. There are recognition systems that are designed and ready to help people on reading characters. For the case of codes, code, or to read markers. It converts them into computer understandable format 0 and 1. Computer understands only in 0 and 1. Therefore, possible to feed or to input characters, codes, and markers using optical recognition system. Therefore, we have a variety of optical recognition systems. There are many types of optical recognition systems. The optical character recognition, the optical mark recognition, and barcode reader. The optical character recognition, as the name implies, when you say character, numbers, letters are found on the keyboard. Optical recognition system device a scanner that reads typewritten. When you think about the recognition as an input device, I am saying you letters, numbers found on the keyboard, the same to on paper hard copy form, or is in other form, it is possible to input to the computer system. The optical character recognition device is a scanner that reads typewritten, computer printed, and in some cases handwritten characters from ordinary documents. It scans the shape of the characters and compares it with predefined font shape found in memory. It can convert the characters into computer code comparison. It says it's possible to convert characters into computer code comparison. It is used to enter documents found on paper into computer without the need to type it using the keyboard. Optical character recognition here is it understand or inputs character to the computer system. The second recognition system is optical mark recognition. As an implies, device senses the presence or absence of marks such as pencil or markers to the computer system. It does not identify letters of the alphabet. Instead, it uses electronic scanners, markers, and symbols. It converts markers and symbols into the appropriate electronic signals. The optical mark recognition is used to correct exams. The read mark is interpreted and matched against previously entered answer key. For example, the Ethiopian School Leaving Certificate examination is corrected using this device. Yeah. What the purpose of optical recognition system? I mean my optical mark recognition system, as an implies, to read marks from the answer sheet. For instance, devices sense the presence or absence of marks such as pencil markers, or does not identify the letter of the alphabet. Instead, uses electronic scanners, markers and symbols, converts markers and symbols into appropriate electronic signals. The optical mark recognition is to correct exams. The read mark is interpreted and matched against previously entered answer key. For example, the Ethiopian School Leaving Certificate examination is correcting using this device. In this grade, the students in grade 8, when you take the examination, leaving a certificate examination or ministry, they will give an answer, a special answer sheet. On that answer sheet, there is a mark, a pencil mark, is reading by the device optical mark recognition. Then the device checks whether they are correct or not. The barcode reader is used to read correct printed on products. It says. As an implies, there are codes on different products as the backside. including plastic waters that contains water. At the backside, biscuits, in every biscuit, at the backside on the plastic material, on the cover, there is a code that's not read by human. This code is called barcode, and the device that reads this code is barcode reader. Barcode reader is used to read barcodes entered on products, variety of products. There are different kinds of barcode. The most commonly used one called universal product code. It is used to identify product manufacturer and product number, or for instance, they are found in library management and inventory control management. Here is a barcode reader. Barcode. Barcode is written by barcode reader. A speech recognition system. The speech as an implies this is a device barcode reader and code is barcode. Therefore, it is written by this device barcode reader. Then it's input to the computer system. That it is an input device. The recognition system is optical recognition system type categorized under barcode reader. The other input device is a speech recognition system. It understands speech as an implies voice recognition. The speech recognition system is ability computers to recognize human speech. Then it input to the computer system. The microphone is used to enter the speech into the computer. Now I am recording. I am using here the computer microphone is used by SIS. Therefore, it is an input device. It is recording. It is inputting my device, my voice, my speech. The computer input process the speech and performs the action ordered by the speech. It is used to enter the data using speech instead of typing from the keyboard. Instead of using keyboard, the speech recognition systems, the microphone. The speech or microphone. Light pen. As an implies a pen, it uses light to input or to command with tablets or variety of devices. Using light pen is a light sensitive device used together with the computer monitor. It used by touching the screen with the device when create or modifying graphics. The other is touch screen. There is a touch screen on mobiles, on the tablet that helps you to interact with the device. The screen allows to enter data by using finger. Also, some laptops come with touch screen technology, and also computers that is inputs that they used as an input device. Here, the touch screen it allows us to enter data by using finger. The screen is useful alternate to use mouse or keyboard. Alternatively, mouse and keyboard touch screen here. It is used in a variety of devices such as laptop, smartphone, and tablet. Touch screen is generally used in applications like automated teller machines, public information computers, hospitals, airline reservation, and railway reservation. The other input device is joystick. It is a device used for playing video games. A device which is commonly used for playing games. It is an input device. Mainly used to control the speed of the cursor and thus popular in games involving speed like racing and flying games. Nowadays, PlayStation variety of PlayStations are found to command or to interact with the computer by using or television by using this device. It helps us to play instead of keyboard and mouse. For today is enough. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.